Good morning everybody, 17th of October, sun is shining, Sunday morning, breakfast by the pond. How about that? That's the way to live. Southwest France, nice climate. Well, we've had our honey for breakfast and now we're going to show you how we got it. Sarah's going to spin out our honey from our hives this morning. This is the sieve we use, that's another sieve, there's the frames, and we'll show you what it's all about in just a mo. There's the centrifuge, or the spinner as you'd call it. You put the frames in there, you'll see it in a minute as we spin them round. They've got to be up the right way. Yeah, here she goes. First job is to cut all the wax off the side of the frames, like Sarah's doing here. There's all sorts of things you can get for doing that, hot knives and stuff, but we've found the best is the bread knife. As you can see, it comes off quite cleanly. All that wax you can save. The box she's putting it in's got holes in the bottom, so it acts as a sieve. Given it a day, all the honey will run out of it and into the box at the bottom, and just leave you with the wax. That'll be pretty clean. It's quite an interesting job. It's a bit on the sticky side. It's quite nice sometimes to have a sticky wife, isn't it? After we've taken all the wax off, we put them in the centrifuge, which is this thing that spins them around. You have to start them off the right way around because all the cells are built at a little bit of an angle. And for the honey to come out better, you need the right direction. And then you turn them all over and spin them back in the other direction. And hopefully you get your honey coming out the bottom. And here it goes into the sieve, which takes out any bits of wax and stuff, and it's pretty clean when it comes out in the bucket in the bottom. When we've finished cleaning up everything or getting all the honey from it, the sieves and stuff, we put them outside and all the old frames for the bees to take off all surplus honey. They clean them right up beautifully, take every bit back home where it belongs. You can see that it's cleaned up pretty well. It just takes a bit of a wash round afterwards. And here they are in the box. There was a bit of honey in the bottom of that, and all I've left is the bits of wax. You can see the anti-hornet frames are working pretty well. We're really pleased with them because it's kept all the hornets away. They do get in there sometimes, but they don't seem to be able to carry the bees out because they kill the bees, but they can't take them out because of the mesh. So it looks like it's working. Somebody else might like to try that.